Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So I am on my channel right now. This is me. I have full control of it. I can delete, basically community posts. Like I just deleted that one for some reason. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it's whatever. Basically, no one stole my channel. No one hacked me. Obviously, you guys recognize me by my voice. So this is Nominal Investor for those of you guys who don't know already. But I changed my channel, rebranded everything. So you guys can go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well, Money Conscious, but with two Y's. Check me out. That's one of the best ways you guys can contact me, as well as on, just overall Instagram. I don't really check Instagram, but I mean, if you guys want to contact me on there and say what's up, then you guys can do that. Reason why I was inactive for like almost 2 weeks now is because I was just working and writing ideas, reading books, just so I can get more ideas and more knowledge about things, and just so I can think about what I want to do next with my channel, and you know focus on where the direction is headed in the future. What I'm trying to achieve with this, like I'm trying to turn this into a brand somehow. So I knew I needed to change my name from Nominal Investor to Money Conscious, just because Money Conscious just would look way better as a brand name than the Nominal Investor. Nominal Investor is just like, I got bored of it personally, and that's why I changed it. But I wanna talk about what happened. Just to recap, GameStop literally soared so much. Like it's just insane. Like it went up to $400. I remember I made a community tab post right here where it was at $80. This is just 2 days ago. It was at $80, and it went beyond that. It went actually to $400. Now it's like hovering like below 400 in the 300s, but it's still very high. Like, and this is because there was a short squeeze that happened. So shorters just got destroyed. Most notably, Melvin Capital, which is a hedge fund, they're worth billions of dollars, or were before. They were worth billions of dollars. I don't know about now. Who knows what they're worth now? But they got destroyed by retail investors who already admit that they're just basically gambling. These are the people on Wall Street bets that have become rich from buying call options on GameStop, and just squeezing the hell out of these professional investors. The article goes over Blackberry AMC, which are potential moves for Wall Street bets, and how they could also squeeze those, because there's some short interest for those two companies as well, just like there was with GameStop. Not as much as GameStop, but still there's still a lot of short interest that they want to play that out. They want to see if it can go up a lot, if they can go up exponentially like GameStop did recently. Who knows? If that happens, that's going to be insane. Investing in doing any sort of options trading is very risky. So anything I'm saying in this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinion. I'm reporting on what I'm seeing from these articles and stuff, and what I've seen from these posts. But NIO actually gets mentioned here in this Wall Street Journal article. It says the Chinese electric vehicle maker has received enduring interest from individual traders on social media platforms, including Discord and Reddit, sending shares of its ADR up more than 1,000% in the past 12 months. NIO now ranks among the world's top 5 automakers with a market cap around $96 billion. The company delivered 43,728 vehicles in total last year. That compares to around 449,000 deliveries by Tesla Inc. and more than 9 million from Volkswagen. So the article is just comparing NIO with like Tesla and also Volkswagen in deliveries, and saying how it went up exponentially in the last year. To me, this sounds like they're being bullish. Like they're essentially saying NIO has growth potential in 2021. Now, coupled with the fact that the Wall Street bets and these retail investors can move the market so much, like how we've seen recently with AMC, Blackberry, and GameStop as of lately. It would be interesting if something like this happens to some degree with NIO, where what if, imagine NIO like moves up 5x what it's currently trading at, it goes up to around $250. Now, none of this is financial advice. It's me speculating, but that would be very, very crazy, especially if you're holding for the long term. You have total control of when you want to take profits, and how much you want to hold, and so you don't end up being a bag holder basically. So at least if it ever crashes down for whatever reason, you took profits along the way, and and you didn't lose entirely. And by the way, I'm not being bearish on Nio or anything. This is just like in general. If you're investing into any stock, you don't want to invest and go all in unless you have done your due diligence and you've researched everything that you could about that company. But even then, you still want to diversify, and one way you could do that, especially if you're investing into like Tesla, is by investing into Nio as well. So and if you're invested into Nio, it's good to hold some Tesla stock as well, because they're both are going to do good, both are going to succeed in the same market. So why not? So by the way, it's just my own opinion. It's just the way investing works. If you want to reduce the risk, obviously you can also just go all in on just one, but you'll reap what you sow, and whatever happens. But just know that you could sleep better at night diversifying. You don't have to be over diversified into like 20 different stocks, but choose 2 or 3 that are good, that are winners, that you think are long-term winners, and stick with them. That's it. That's just my own opinion. I'm very bullish on Nio. You guys know I reiterate my bullishness in every video. I just talk about how Nio's a long-term winner. They have growth potential because of what they're doing with their technologies and how fast they've been expanding recently. I believe Nio and Tesla, these are long-term winners in this space. So Deutsche Bank, $70. Daiwa Securities, $100. It's a buy rating as well. JP Morgan, $75. Bank of America, $70. CICC, $85. Credit Suisse, $71. All these buy ratings are above $70, and Nio stock price is still right now at $57. So if you're trying to accumulate, I mean, this is not financial advice, but this is my own personal opinion. I would accumulate at these prices, like $55 to $57. Wouldn't be bad if you wanted to like dollar cost average and stuff like that. Anyway, the reason why Nio fell as well, like any other company that trades on any American exchange, is because the Dow Jones Industrial Average actually dropped 600 points. So yeah. I do want to mention also that the Qualcomm used Nio as the cover when introducing the 3rd generation in-vehicle computing platform at today's Smart Car Theme Conference. Shout out to Chris for coming through with these tweets. I gotta give credit where credit is due. Yet another technology company that Nio's working with. First we were hearing about NVIDIA with the Nio Atom. Now it's Qualcomm. They make chips, like I said. Also Biden, he has plans of making the US totally like net zero country by a certain date. Like we hear these dates like 2030, 2035, or maybe even 2050 at most. But the US is transitioning into becoming reliant just on renewable energies or clean energy instead of fossil fuels. So obviously this is going to come at a cost. It's going to cut away a bunch of jobs that right now it's providing, by just transitioning to this net zero agenda that Biden is pushing. This is going to obviously come at that cost, but as an investor in these companies and EV companies, this is beneficial to us. I think that this is going to be a process. It's not going to be overnight, but we are pretty much revolutionizing our whole system, our country, and the way we run things. We're trying to avoid an energy crisis, if that makes any sense. So that's kind of like the reason why they're actually going so hard on this agenda of going green entirely, is because they want to avoid, or the governments of the world, they want to avoid an energy crisis, which is their right now one of their number one priorities. And also revolutionizing the financial system and payments and all that, remittances. They're trying to revolutionize that. It's going to be changed pretty soon too, utilizing digital assets. And that's just a topic for a different video, different channel maybe. Who knows. But I just want to end it here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment if you did. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so you guys can stay updated on future uploads. See y'all later. Peace out.